I guess we're both gonna eat, aren't we, fatty? Relax, relax.
What's going on, guys? Seth here, and I just want to talk a little bit about unmotivation and how I plan on getting through it. For those of you that don't know, my channel actually started out more on the video side than building things and stuff like that. I eventually found my passion in woodworking a little bit later on, and then that's what this channel actually turned into. I don't know if you guys are still here from my early days where I kind of focused more on video side. That's where my channel started out. I think anybody in some sort of art field reaches this point where they're a little bit unmotivated or maybe uninspired. I say this because this is where I'm actually at right now in my life. I'm a little bit uninspired to get out here in the shop, and it's kind of frustrating because I really have some things that I want to build, and I'm just not enjoying it. I think anybody in any sort of art form has experienced this or experiences this in a certain time of the year maybe, or something like that. But my plan to get through it is just to get out here and just do it. I think that's the best way, because I've been kind of putting it off, and I've got so many things I've got to do out here. I've got people waiting on projects and stuff like that, and it's not good. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this video up or not. I just want to kind of let you guys know where I'm at and kind of what my plans are in the future. I'm going to be building a whole bunch of things. I've got a million projects to do. I have infinite amount of projects to do. I've got a really big white oak dining room table that I spent a bunch of money on the wood, and I've really got to get it done. I've got a white oak display case that I'm making right now for somebody at work. It's kind of a special project, and I really wish I could get the motivation to get out here and get it done. I'd really like to focus a little more on the video side of things, because for those of you that don't know, I'm just as passionate about videography and cinematography as I am woodworking. This leaf just flew in my shop. So I've invested a little bit of money in my camera gear here recently, and as you guys are seeing my new lens, I have finally bought a new lens. I've been stuck with the 30 mil, and it's not bad. It's like right in the middle, but it's not as wide as this one, and I need to get one more. It's probably an 85 mil lens for a little more tighter shots. So that's what's coming in the future with my video side of things. I've also been thinking about getting me like a wireless lav mic, so that way the audio doesn't suck like it does right now. Another huge update is I am gonna eventually be selling this house and the shop, and I don't have a good plan for replacing my shop, so it's kind of a big deal. I've already started designing a new shop, and maybe I'll get that built sometime in the future, but probably what's gonna happen in between that time is I'm gonna be doing just videos that maybe aren't as woodworking related, and I think that's actually going to be good for me. So that's kind of the plans moving forward. Also, I know I said it before, but thank you guys so much for 5,000 subscribers. That's insane for me. A few videos coming up here really soon. We're going to be building, like I said, some display cases, and we got this big, huge white oak dining room table. It's going to be Japanese style. I've also got a little bit of Kumiko stuff coming up as well, which is always fun. So stick around, guys.